Hi, kindergartners. Happy Tuesday. Did you have a good Monday? Was it good? I hope it was really, really good. My Monday was pretty good. I went outside and I went for a walk, and I have a train stuck by my house, and me and my daughter walked over to the train and touched it. It wasn't moving, it's stuck, it's broken. Today for math is going to be a review for you guys. You were going to do so well on this, but there's one thing that I want to remind you of. Today you're going to be working on counting objects that are not in a nice, beautiful straight line. The objects you're going to be counting are stars on the first page. So I have got my handy dandy whiteboard, and I want to remind you of how to keep track of your counting so you don't count the same object twice. So when we are counting, it's easy to get confused. One way we can help ourselves not get confused is by crossing it out after we've counted it. Now, I've said this in class a couple times. Remember just to put one line through it. Lots of us, when we put two lines in, we count extra, and we don't want to count extra. So I am going to remind you, will you count with me while I cross out after I count the object? And I don't move on until I'm done, okay? Counting fast will come. It's not important to count fast right now. It's really never important to count fast. Take your time. Okay. All right, let's start. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. How many stars did I have? 18 stars. Good job. Notice that when I counted, I didn't move my pen or your pencil until I was done saying the whole number. Think about that. Okay, on your piece of paper right now, I want you to draw a bunch of objects, the same object. Just try to fill your paper up with whatever size paper you have. Fill it up with an object. Don't count them, just start doing it. So I'll show you mine when I'm done erasing. My eraser is not working still. I should have gotten a new one, but I forgot when I sat down. I'm gonna have to go get some Kleenex. Remember when all we had were Kleenexes to erase our boards? Oh my goodness. I miss being in the classroom. Do you miss being in the classroom? I sure do. Okay, so right now, if you haven't already started, just fill up your page with objects. I'm going to do circles because circles are easy, right? I'm going to keep it simple. Don't count them. So just draw them all over, all over, all over, all over, all over. Okay, see, I didn't count them. I was talking to you the whole time. Now what I want you to do is just practice counting them by crossing them out. Okay, I'm going to do mine first, and then I want you to do yours, and then check it with mom or dad or grandma or grandpa or big brother or big sister, okay? Can you do mine with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 25 circles. Okay, now you go ahead and count yours. And remember, you can pause the video if I start talking before you're done. All right, did you have mom or dad check it? Did you count correctly? I bet you did. All right, so today's math pages, there are 2 math pages. The first one you're going to do are stars, just like my first drawing was on my whiteboard. All you need to do on this page is to count all the stars and write how many there are in this box. But you need to be crossing out as you are counting. Not 2 crosses. You're not going to put an X on them. You're just going to draw a line. I'll show you on the first one right here. So I'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. So in this box, I'm going to write 19. I just gave you that first answer, you lucky ducks. Remember what 19 looks like? It's a teen number. So what number always comes first? A 1, right? And it's 19, so I put a 9. Make sure your numbers aren't backwards and that your 9 looks like a 9 and not a P. Okay? You'll do that on this whole page today. Make sure mom and dad checks it and make sure your answers are right. On the other side is Puzzle Penguin. Ooh, my marker's showing through. Is Puzzle Penguin. You know he needs our help. He struggles, and so he comes to us, smart kindergartners, to help him out. He wants you to look at these teen numbers and to see if he wrote them right. He wanted to write the number 14, 17, and 19. Did he write them correctly? If he made a mistake, cross out where he made a mistake and write above it what he should have written. Okay, and then down here on your paper, it may not show up, but never mind. Forget that. I'm going to do the directions again. If he got any of these wrong, cross them out. And above it, write the way he should have written the number. And that's all you have to do for math today. Remember to practice counting to 100 by the end of the year, end of kindergarten. You need to be able to count to 100 without any mistakes. So we practice as far you can get and have mom or dad or big brother, big sister, whoever's at home that can listen, have them listen to you. You also need to be able to count to 100 by tens. So make sure you're doing that at home. Let's do a practice right now. Can you count by 10 with me? Count by tens to 100 with me. Let's do it. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Kindergartners, I miss you. Keep working really, really hard. Listen to mom and dad. I know it's weird doing school at home. I'm in my bedroom right now and I feel weird doing this, but this is what we have to do to stay safe and stay healthy. So, be good listeners. I'm going to start making it so mom and dad can give you dojo points. Do you want to earn dojo points at home? So that will come out soon, but you need to be listening to mom and dad and doing what you need to do so that your brain is still growing. We want it to grow. Be really good today, and I will see you tomorrow.